Welcome to watch the demo video for Cloudnet static rate limiting. This video will introduce how to implement static rate limiting for clients through Cloudnet. Static rate limiting of Cloudnet can implement client rate limiting based on a wireless service template, affecting all clients that access using the same template. In static rate limiting mode, the set value applies to all clients. In this example, the AC and AP is online on Cloudnet, and the PoE switch supplies power to the AP. Apply static rate limiting to all clients accessing through service template H3C Cloudnet, with an uplink rate of 8096 kbps and a downlink rate of 8096 kbps. Open your browser and log in to the cloud platform. Navigate to Settings ACS Wireless QoS. On the Static Rate Limit tab, click Sync. Confirm the selected wireless service and SSID, and make sure the selected wireless services are enabled. Click the Client Rate Limit icon to enable Client Rate Limit, and set the uplink rate and downlink rate. Click Permanent, the rate limit setting to take effect all the time. Select Periodic and set the execution interval and execution time. The rate limit setting to take effect as scheduled. In this example, the rate limit setting takes effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every week from Monday to Friday. Click OK. If the client rate limit column displays on, it indicates that the configuration is in effect. Navigate to Smart OM. Click OK. Then the page jump to the service switch page. Select this SSID and open Smart OM. Back to Smart OM. Navigate to Clients, Wireless, Online Clients, to view the uplink rate and downlink rate values for devices under the corresponding SSID. If these values are within the configured rate range, the setup is successful. Thanks for watching.